Federal judge is weighing a lawsuit filed by the Department of Homeland Security targeting all 15 of judges on Maryland's federal bench. At the center of the controversy, a new state policy which automatically pauses deportations from migrants requesting a detention review.
As Fox 45's Rebecca Pryor is reporting today, Maryland's judges called for the case to be thrown out. Rebecca joins us live with what happened in court today. Rebecca.
Yeah, that's right. Today, those judges, they made a motion to dismiss this case entirely, calling it unprecedented, unnecessary, and legally baseless. The presiding judge ultimately saying that he is skeptical of the lawsuit, but not ready to make a ruling just yet. Making a rare appearance in a Maryland courtroom, Thomas Cullen, a federal judge from Virginia, stepping in from out of state. His presence needed for an unprecedented case challenging an unprecedented ruling, in which the Trump administration is suing every single federal judge in Maryland.
And the fact that they sued all of the retired judges really meant that a retired judge couldn't even come in and hear the case, which is normally what would happen.
Following arguments over whether to dismiss the case,
there's no comment.
DHS's attorney Elizabeth Hedges tight-lipped on the lawsuit, challenging a new state ruling, putting a pause on certain deportations. In response to a recent surge in immigration cases, back in May, a Maryland chief judge issuing an order mandating an automatic 2-day delay for undocumented immigrants who filed petitions challenging their removal.
And so it gives, the representatives, the attorneys, or the family of the arrestee, as well as ICE, an opportunity to address these issues on the merits in court.
Attorney Kirk Nachman, who has no relation to the case, says the ruling was meant to protect due process rights, referring to the case of Kilmar Obrego Garcia, who was deported despite a court order protecting him. However, DHS argues the order unlawfully hinders its authority to swiftly enforce immigration laws, quote, especially the removal of dangerous criminals, as the agency maintains Obrego Garcia is an MS-13 gang member. While a judge weighs both sides of the debate, Nachman points to an alternative path the federal government could take.
They absolutely could add 1,000 judges to the immigration system and speed up the deportation process lawfully and legally, with due process being given to detainees. But that's not what they're doing. They're scooping them up and they're sending them out without an opportunity to be heard.
Now, as for when we will learn if this case can legally move forward, Judge Cullen says that he plans on issuing his ruling as soon as possible, giving Labor Day as the latest date. Reporting live in front of the federal courthouse, Rebecca Pryor, Fox 45 News.
I'm Mary Bubala. Thank you for watching. Here's another video for you to watch. Also take some time to subscribe to our YouTube channel.